Alright, Toyota Supra, going into the maintenance menu. This is how to do it. Car is completely off right now, okay? Keep your foot off the brake, go to engine start stop, and hit it 3 times pretty quick. 1, 2, 3. The cluster will power up and it'll start going through its checks right here. Let it do that first. And then when it's done with that, we're gonna press and hold down this button right here, okay? So I'm just waiting. All right, it's done its checks. I'm gonna press and hold down the button. Now this one is telling me that the engine oil service is due, so it's gonna give me the engine oil reset possible. If I went ahead and let go of the button, if you press it again, it'll go through all the services, okay? So there's only 3 right here. So reset is possible, so now I'm gonna push and hold down the button to reset engine oil. And I'm gonna let go and then hit it again. Okay, I'm holding this down also. Reset in progress. Okay, you can let go. So it's reset the engine oil. Okay, it's giving me a full year and 11,000 miles. Now, if any of the other ones are needed, like brake fluid or I think it's inspection, yeah. It's the same thing. Press and hold the button down. Good to go. Now you can start the car up and this will go away. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate if you'd hit the like button, possibly subscribe. It would help out a lot. Catch you in the next video.